If you are among those with a blood pressure reading above 140/90ths of a millimeter of mercury, you are probably suffering from hypertension, also known as high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common problem among both youngsters and adults. Looking at the statistics in the United States alone, 1 out of 3 adults, or about 70 million Americans, have high blood pressure, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. While there are no initial symptoms to warn you of the trouble, high blood pressure may lead to disastrous consequences like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, aneurysms, kidney failure, and even cognitive decline. In fact, it accounts for more than 15% of deaths in the U.S. Although prescription medication can regulate your blood pressure, it may cause side effects like dizziness, leg cramps, and insomnia. Plus, it is always safe and best to go natural. Fortunately, several natural remedies are extremely effective in controlling shooting blood pressure quickly and bringing it down to a healthy level. Here are some simple home remedies you may undertake to lower your blood pressure fast without medication. Learn how to lower blood pressure fast without the use of any medications. First method, lemon juice. Ingredients: water, slices of lemon. Preparation: carefully squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass of water and consume it on a daily basis in the morning on an empty stomach. Lemons can aid in maintaining and keeping the gentleness and flexibility of the blood vessels by getting rid of any inelasticity on the vessel walls, and it helps in lowering the high blood pressure. Second method, garlic. Garlic is packed with sulfur compounds as trisulfide that has the ability to lower the blood pressure and eliminate the harmful toxins and cholesterol out of the body. These compounds can stimulate the production of nitric oxide and regulate the high blood pressure, thus expanding the blood vessels. You should consume 2 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic in the morning before your breakfast or before going to sleep in the evening. It is recommended to consume the garlic raw and fresh because the process of cooking can make the garlic to lose its important nutrients. Third method, combination of apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Ingredients: water, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, apple cider vinegar. Preparation: ACV contains calcium, magnesium and potassium, vital minerals that help lower pressure on the artery walls and regulate the blood pressure level in the body. Baking soda acts as the ultimate pH booster for lowering blood pressure. Mix 1 tablespoon of ACV and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink this concoction twice every day to lower your blood pressure.